Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. As we can see, Zora just under 5 cent, still ranging in this level. What's good is that it looks like we found the floor at the 0.048 cent mark, right? So this is a good time to accumulate, like I've been saying in previous videos. I think Zora will be a massive project in the future. I see Jesse Pollock always on Twitter, just constantly, interacting with creator coins, buying creator coins, and completely just interacting with everyone in the base app, trying to get, more and more, of a mind share and community built for the base app, for the early people, early users, and the early builders of the base app. And you just constantly see that, that positive reinforcement. Jesse's not one to shy away from, interacting with people. And again, like I said, with the success of the base app, when it fully goes live to the public, because it's not live to the public as yet, I think once the base app goes public and then we see that success of the base app, we're going to see the success of Zora. And remember, this isn't just speculation, right? This is actual built-in infrastructure technology, powered through, blockchain and, the builders at Zora, Jacob Horn, the founder. These are very smart people, right? So like I showed you guys in previous videos, even in the last video I showed you, there was a new creator that, launched on the base app. The coin was activated, and I showed you guys that it was peered to Zora, right? So as more and more creators come to the to the base app, it automatically is tied to the Zora. It is automatically peered to Zora and a part of the Zora ecosystem, right? So look at it this way: millions of new users, 1 to 5 to 10, 50, 100 new users that get their creator coin to tens of millions of market cap, like we see on Solana, where there's creator coins that get to tens of millions of market cap, if not hundreds of millions of market cap. Remember the boom that Solana had, right? When Solana ran up from its lows at around $15 to 200 plus dollars, right? Remember that move that Solana made, right? And the reason for that is because coins in the ecosystem like Bonk really started to explode and went from 10 million to multiple billions in market cap. That's what Bonk did, 2 to 3 billion in market cap. And then, while Bonk was growing, so did the rest of the Solana ecosystem, meme coins, some utility projects, and then the meme coin explosion took place on Solana, which then made Solana absolutely explode as well, right? Because more and more users were trading their Solana for memes, right? And that's how Solana came back from the dead and became one of the top L1s. I personally think the same thing will happen here for Zora. There's gonna be a boom in creator coins. Some of these creator coins are gonna go to tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions in market cap, and that's gonna create the boom for Zora, which pushes Zora to $1, right? $1 in the short term, and then $5 to $10 in the medium to long term, in my opinion, right? I really do think that is the case, right? It's pretty much the same playbook, right, as what happened as a layer 1, right? It's the same playbook as a layer 1, right? The only thing that's holding it back right now is that the creator coins haven't reached that escape velocity yet, but I truly believe they will in the future, and that's why I think Zora is a great bet to have, right? And any accumulation under 5 cent, in my opinion, is just smart. If you could get 20,000 Zora tokens, I know it's rough out here. It's so difficult in this space to make those massive gains, and then you see people who make it look so easy and get to 6 to 7 figures even in these types of market conditions, and you're wondering, why can't I pull that off? Well, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, fortunately, you can pull it off. It's just that You just have to be more patient and take your time with things, right? One trade, one win, one investment at a time to grow that portfolio. So 20,000 Zora tokens is around $1,000 right now, $983. I think that's a great investment, man. I really do think Zora goes to $1 to $5 in the short to medium term, right? So that 20,000 Zora tokens, eventually you hold until $5, you have $100,000, right? And you can't be like, well, 50 billion market cap is a lot. Not when you have an actual structure, utility, and value accrual, right? Not when you have Coinbase and Base behind said project, right? Not when you have fringeless crypto use, right? It's fringe. There's a word for it. I'm not sure of the word, but it's like crypto is being used without, the average person realizing crypto is being used. When the Base app goes live, people won't view it as just a crypto-based app. They'll view it as just any app like you see with TikTok, Facebook, X, right? They'll view it the same way, just like any other app. They won't really view it as a crypto app because it has the social platform and the social aspect to it, right? So that's why you could see $50 billion market cap for Zora. $10 billion market cap is easy. If Pepe, the meme coin last year, went to 10 billion market cap, 11 billion market cap, 10 billion market cap for Zora is easy, right? That is so achievable. 50 billion market cap, even more so achievable as well because of what Zora's use case is. So that's pretty much the update for today, guys. As always, thank y'all for tuning in. Please remember, none of this is financial advice, and I'll catch you in the next one.